Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. Today we saw the markets come down, especially on the Dow, test the 50-day moving average, giving us another good perspective of which way the market trend might be moving. As we saw, the low of the day on the Dow was right here at the 50. And then it closed up just to the point where it was up 26 points on the day. Notice the formation, a trend channel. That was clearly evident over here in the Nasdaq also, where the Nasdaq opened lower and came back up and closed above the T-line. But look at the trend channel that is developing in here. So this makes for at least analysis that investor sentiment is not selling off with any great enthusiasm, that the trend channel is still our likely trend analysis indicator. That was made more evident by the fact that the Nasdaq did do a bullish engulfing right here at the T-line area. Now this is providing a lot of good chart setups, like the J-hook pattern. We had recommended some of the mining stocks. You can see how they've come up, created a small consolidation. Notice on CCJ, a left-right combo, a doji followed by a bullish engulfing signal, right here off the T-line, and then they gapped it up through this level, telling us more than likely we've got wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 in progress. That same thing could be seen on CrowdStrike. Nice steady uptrend, evening star signal, bullish engulfing signal on Friday, and bullish confirmation. This makes the prospects of an uptrend continuing very likely. And our recommendation on DKNG has been on the basis of, here's our fry pan bottom, here's our pullback, and notice where the pullback after this big dark cloud signal formed, right smack dab to the T-line. When we saw a bullish harami at the T-line area, that basically told us there was no more selling. The bulls are taking control. Look at the doji sandwich. Look at the fact that they use the T-line as support, a J-hook pattern. This is what we call the classic pattern. A fry pan bottom, and what do we expect out of a fry pan bottom? A strong price move. After a strong price move, we see a pullback, the T-line support. Now what do we expect? A J-hook pattern. What's the prerequisite for a J-hook pattern? A strong price move. The combination of a fry pan bottom going into a J-hook pattern is not an unusual, and it's a high probability trade setup, with the expectation that this move right here will be the same magnitude as this move right here. So the Dow is telling us we're still acting as a support trend channel. Use the 50 as support. Any positive trading tomorrow is still going to be an indication that this trend channel is still in progress, that the selling pressure is not very evident right now in this market. That'll be it. Thank you for listening. We'll see you in the chat rooms.